Hi all. Today we'll install SnowSQL on Windows 10 or 11. Just open any browser, type just Snowflake here, and next open this one official website. It will you are able to see, right? Just type, select this website, then click on here Snowflake. Hover on the developers, click on the downloads. Scroll down here, see, like you are able to see, right? Snowflake, CLI, Snowpark, SnowSQL. So it depends like which one you are going to choose. So I'm going to select on SnowSQL. Just click on SnowSQL, scroll down, like you are able to see, right? SnowSQL for Linux, SnowSQL for Mac OS, SnowSQL for Windows. So I'm going with on Windows one. Just click on SnowSQL for Windows. It will download. Go to downloads meanwhile. Yeah, so it's done. Just click on double click on next. So this is the path where the SnowSQL is going to install. Just copy the path for your reference, or change like any specific folder you want to install or specific drive. Just modify and click on next. Click on install. Just click on yes. Yeah, click on, see, this is the like Snowflake setup details. Okay, so you need to new terminal, like you need to open, create the account name here, or if you have already account, just you need to log in with your account, and you need to enter all these details, okay, to command to connect the Snowflake or SnowSQL. So like, thanks for watching. So this is the setup and configuration for the SnowSQL. In the next videos we can see how can we connect with Snowflake with SnowSQL. Thanks for watching.